Hello everyone and welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. A quick review for you today of the KitSound Nova earphones. These are wired earphones. Now I know some of you are going to be thinking, GrumpyMan, what you're doing is 28. Why are you bringing us a review of wired earphones? But here's the thing, I've also reviewed some Bluetooth wireless headphones on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to watch one. With them, if the battery runs out and some don't come with a backup cable and then you don't have no means of charging it, these would definitely make a good backup set because they come at a really good price. I picked these up from AO.com. Anyway, let's get on with the review. They in gold color, you can see there. So the packaging, there's nothing on the sides, just some more product information there and some specifications and the contents of the box, which obviously I'm going to show you now. So if you want to know more about like it tells you the frequency and that, you could pause the video there. It comes with its own leather pouch that says KS there. That's a good touch, that actually. And it comes with 3 sets of earbuds, so you get small, medium and large. The earphones themselves, this is a 1.2 meter cable, which does feel like a reasonable cable, and it does feel like it is tangle free. So if you have them in your bag, in your pocket, they won't get into a tangle. Well, so far it seems that way. I suppose time will tell if the cable wears out or anything, but they're not bad. I think you get 1 year warranty with KitSound with these. And then you got some gold color there. Over here you can answer the call and stop the call, but you can't skip a track forward or backwards on these. You could just answer the calls, and they do have a little mic there. And then the main earbuds themselves, they have some KS branding there, and they are of course gold as well. Now these, you take them off, that's it, and you'd put anyone you want to put back on. So they are quite simple to do. They're simple, but they're a bit fiddly. They're back on, so they're okay. So the main thing, how do they sound? They are okay, especially for the price, but they are, in my opinion, they do seem to have a lot of treble in them, and the bass is a notch bit higher as well. I would not recommend wearing these if you're going jogging, because if you sweat or anything, these would pop straight out because of the material the earbuds are made out of. It's like silicone kind of material. I'm saying kind of because I'm not 100% sure if it is silicone. No, can I see anyway there if it is silicone, but it feels like that. It feels sort of slippery as it is, but as a backup at this price, you can't go wrong. That's why I thought I'd bring you a quick review of these today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.